Wow, it doesn't smell very nice. Assalamualaikum, hi guys, my name is Ismail and you're watching Chekmael. So welcome back to another new video. Today is gonna be something a bit different. I've always wanted to do this topic but I've never got around it that much. So in future, hopefully I wanna do like food topics, like probably share with my favorite food. I want to do like a mukbang, probably with my nieces or whatnot. But today I want to share with you 4 fruit juice recipes. Believe it or not, I actually consume fruit juice weekly because I feel that I do not consume enough fruits and vegetables in my diet. And the thing about vegetables, I do love vegetables, but you know, probably I don't eat enough, or maybe the vegetables are not like the healthiest. One of the best ways to actually hide your vegetable is actually in fruit juices to make it more delicious, because I realized that the fruit juices that actually sell in stores are actually not so good for you. Especially my best friend, she says, hey, you cannot drink this, you cannot drink that. I'm like, okay, fine mom. I learned that the fruit juices that they sell, the conventional ones in stores, you know, they have like loaded with sugar, a lot of things that are actually not so good for you. I've realized that, you know, I should actually make my own fruit juices. So I'm gonna share with you 4 different types of fruit juices. So I will bring you to where I've actually laid out my ingredients. So let's go. Okay guys, so these are the ingredients that you will need to make my 4 different types of fruit juice recipes. So the very first one is honeydew. I love honeydew. I need to have honeydew like every single week because it's very delicious, and also, you know, I cannot get enough of it. It's either in juice form or in like cut form. The second one is watermelon. Like, who doesn't love watermelon? Watermelon is one of the best fruit to actually make your fruit juices. And then we have some mangoes here. Mangoes are equally delicious. Okay, so I don't know why, but in the marts right now there is an abundance of mangoes and they are very affordable. So 3 of these is about $2. So I think it's a very good deal and actually one of the best ingredients to actually make your fruit juices today. So yeah, the next ingredient is cucumbers. I love cucumbers because I always have it with my meal. When I don't want to make like a salad, I will just have cucumbers because it's easy. You just wash and then you eat. But also I use it in my fruit juices to make it more lighter, to make it more less thicker, make it more soluble. So yeah, so that's why I love cucumbers in my fruit juice recipes. And also the other ingredients you can find here is lemon juice. I actually use this Santa Cruz organic lemon juice. I think for this amount and for about $7 you can get organic lemon juice. You can also use freshly squeezed lemon, but I kind of like to use this. So yes. So the next ingredient is apple cider vinegar. It can be any brand, but it needs to be with mother from what I've learned, which is like the original apple cider vinegar. So yeah, you can actually buy the original fruit and then have it like squeezed, or you can have it just the fruit and then you can blend it. But I prefer to actually use the one in the can, and this is 100% pineapple juice. It can be any brand also, just make sure that it's 100%. One of the best ways to eat your vegetable is to actually have it in your fruit juices. So instead of having spinach in salad, I decided to actually use spinach in my fruit juice. So this one comes in a cube form, whole leaf spinach. Last but not least is ginger powder because of its health benefits, and also it gives a kick to your fruit juices. Okay, so I've prepared my ingredients. I've already cut my watermelon. Honeydew, it's so delicious. I've cut my mango. I've diced my cucumber. and these are the spinach cubes. I already prepared my 100% pineapple juice. I have 4 of it here, and then my ginger powder, lemon juice, and also my apple cider vinegar. And right after I actually make my fruit juices, I have to store them somewhere, so I've actually invested in something so expensive, but I really need it. I actually just recently bought this. I've always stalled buying them because they are so expensive. They always cost about $4 to $5 in any stores, and I chanced upon this in Giant Singapore, and they only cost me $12 for all of this. So it's like $1 each, and it comes in 4 different colors: red, blue, yellow, green. So the red will be for watermelon juice. This could be great for mango juice. This is for your green juice. Actually, it doesn't matter. Okay, so the first recipe that we're gonna make is watermelon juice. So the ingredients that you will need for watermelon juice is obviously watermelon, and also that's it, just watermelon. Let me share with you how my fridge typically will look like. So I've made my fruit juices. On the top row, normally I will put all my fruit juices, or even if I have extra fruits, normally I'll put it on the top corner. The second corner is the meal that my mom will actually prep for me. I have all those side dishes, I have like meat dishes, vegetables and whatnot, and then I will cook my rice in this Modori pot over here. I think I need to get a rice cooker. The bottom row is the unhealthier stuff. I have my desserts. My friend bought me this cake, it's delicious. On the side here is not very interesting, it's just random stuff. And then I have like peanut butter and some sauces and whatnot. And then I have drinks over here, and then the bottom is all, the unhealthier stuff. Yay, it's all done. So I obviously know how it tastes like, but I'm gonna share with you this experience right now. So okay, so watermelon juice is one of my favorite. I don't know why. Maybe because it's watermelon, it's sweet, and then it's like very thirst quenching. It's not cold yet. Sedap. So honeydew, after a while, it will settle a bit like this. The fiber and the water tend to separate, and you just need to give it a shake, and then it'll be all fine. So something like this. It's obviously better if it's colder, but I kind of want to do it now. It smells so delicious. It's not very tasty when it's not cold, but I know it's very, very delicious. So if it gets colder, I'm so honest, right? If it gets colder, when you put it in the fridge, it's gonna taste so good. This is my mango juice. Smells like mango. I feel the thing that makes it more delicious for me personally is that tinge of ginger. It's actually good for you, ginger is good for you, but it gives it that like Amin kau. Last but not least is my green juice. Wow, it doesn't smell very nice because of the spinach. Delicious. I hope that you guys will try the 4 different recipes that I share with you: watermelon juice, honeydew juice, green spinach juice, and green mango juice. So until I see you in the next video, bye. Alhamdulillah.